The liability side.
Okay. Capital comes in liability side. Then machinery.
The machinery on asset side, fixed asset.
Asset. Sales. You mark it on in your books.
So sales comes in trading account.
Trading account. Somebody else reply, Geet, I want answer from you. Purchases. 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 Geet, are you there? Purchases कहाँ आता है? Anyone can answer. Geet Sahai left. दीक्षा. दीक्षा, अब मैं तुमसे पूछूंगा और तुम भी लेफ्ट कर देना. दीक्षा, परचेजेस कहाँ आता है?
Sir, trading account.
Trading account. Then sales return, it will be subtracted from the sales. Stock on 1st April 2019. Stock on 1st April 2019.
The trading account.
Trading account. Drawings.
So balance sheet.
Balance sheet. Minus from capital. Wages.
The trading
Wages.
account. Trading account.
Trading account. Because it is related to purchases. ठीक है, या production. It is related to production. Then carriage inward. Carriage inward.
The trading account.
Trading account. Salaries. Somebody from here. AK or SR. Who is this? Yes.
Profit and loss account.
Salaries. Very good. Your name, please.
Stuti.
General expenses.
Profit
AK.
and loss.
Rent. AK. Rent. Yes, Diksha. Rent.
Profit and loss account.
Yes. Purchase return.
Sir, trading account.
Trading.
Minus from purchases. Debtors.
Profit and loss account.
No. Debtors.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet. Where balance sheet?
Side.
Asset or liability? Yes.
Assets. Current asset.
Carriage outward.
Profit and loss account.
Advertising.
Profit
Advertising.
and loss account.
Profit and loss account. And creditors. Creditors.
Balance sheet. Liabilities.
Liability. Closing stock. नीचे लिखा हुआ है 2 lakh. Closing stock.
Balance
The trading account and balance sheet.
Trading account.
Yes.
The trading account and balance sheet.
Trading account and balance sheet. तो दोनों में आएगा. Let us solve this question. Let us solve this question on the board. देखिए, this is very important to know कि ये कहाँ आएगा. तभी आपको ये चैप्टर समझ में आएगा. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Trading and now how and loss account for the year ended, for the year ended 31st March 2019. It is given in the question. 31st March 2020 minus new addition, it is 2020. So how you are going to solve two opening stock? पहले हम लोग ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट बनाएंगे. Two opening stock. Where is the question? Yes. Question number 16. Two opening stock, it is given 1 lakh. Two purchases. The board is clear. You can read it. Board is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So purchases 4 lakh. Purchases 4 lakh. Less purchase return. Purchase return. It is given 5,000. It is 3,95,000. Then by sales, it is given 8,20,000. Sales, it is given 8,20,000. Less sales return. Sales return 10,000. So the answer is 8,10,000. Clear? And by closing the stock, it is given 2 lakh. तो ये चार आइटम्स आपने लिख दिए. ये चार आइटम्स आपने लिख दिए. ठीक है. इसके बाद आप यहाँ पर सारे डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस लिखेंगे which belongs to trading account. Let us see what are they. It is wages, carriage inward, 2 wages, 1 lakh, 2 carriage inward, carriage inward, it is 5,000. 5. It is clear? No more items in trading account. Let us calculate it. Credit side, it is 10,10,000. This is credit side. And debit side, it is 5,6 lakh. Credit side, debit side, it is 6 lakh. The difference is 4,10,000. This is gross profit. Clear? So gross profit is 4,10,000. To gross profit carried down 4,10,000. So have you all understood trading account? Have you all understood trading account? Say yes or no. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then इसके बाद हम यहाँ से प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बनाएंगे. So ये gross profit will be carried down here by gross profit brought down 4,10,000. ओके, तो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट यहां पर आया था वो यहां पर ब्रॉट डाउन. ठीक है, अगर ग्रॉस लॉस आया तो वो इस साइड आया, यानी ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट था वो इधर फॉरवर्ड हो गया. नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. क्लियर? So now what are the expenses in profit and loss account? 2 salaries, 60,000. 2 general expenses 20,000. 2 salaries 60,000. All the expenses are in the debit side. Then 2 rent 50,000. Then carriage outward, 2 carriage outward, 2 carriage outward 20,000. 2 carriage, 2 advertising 20,000. तो ये तो हो गया आपके इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस. देखिए जो डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस है वो ट्रेडिंग में आते हैं, जो इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस है वो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. अगर कोई इनकम होती, if there is any income we will write it in profit and loss. Clear? Now calculate it. 80, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 70. तो इस साइड का टोटल आ रहा है 1 lakh 70 और इधर आ रहा है 4 lakh 10. 4 lakh 10,000 minus 1 lakh 70,000 0,0,0,0,4 और 2. यानी आंसर इज दिस इज नेट प्रॉफिट. आंसर इज, अच्छा इधर कम आ रहा है तो हम बैलेंस इधर करेंगे एंड वी विल राइट नेट प्रॉफिट. टू नेट प्रॉफिट transfer to capital 2,40,000. ये जो टोटल करेंगे कि सेम लाइन में होगा 4,10,000 4,10,000. Have you understood the profit and loss account?
Yes, sir.
Diksha, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any confusion, you can always ask me in between. Then comes balance sheet. Then comes balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Liabilities, assets. ठीक है, सबसे पहले आप लायबिलिटीज में लिखेंगे कैपिटल 3,60,000. Capital 3,60,000 plus net profit 2,40,000 that is 6 lakh minus drawings. ड्राइंग्स कितने दिए हैं क्वेश्चन में 40,000 so we will get 5,60,000. ठीक है, इसके बाद आप एक देखिए सीरीज में चलिए, अदरवाइज कुछ ना कुछ मिस हो जाएगा. कैपिटल आई, कैपिटल के बाद मशीनरी 70,000, machinery 70,000, then debtors 3 lakh, debtors 3 lakh, debtors 3 lakh, cash 40,000, cash 40,000, then creditors 50,000, creditors 50,000, then closing stock 2 lakh. So the total is 6,10,000. इधर कितना जाएगा 6,10,000. So as you all know, the balance sheet of liability side and asset sides are equal. ठीक है, बैलेंस शीट की एसेट और लायबिलिटी साइड दोनों इक्वल होती हैं, यहां पर इक्वल आ रही हैं. दैट मींस आई हैव done it correctly. So have you understood balance sheet?
Yes, sir.
Vansh, have you any problem? Vanya. Yes, Diksha, is there
No,
any
sir.
problem?
No, sir.
So can you do next question by yourself? 17 and 18. Can you solve these questions? Next few questions. Are you able to solve next few questions?
Yes, sir.
So solve it as many as you can. So tomorrow is my next 2 periods. Tomorrow I have 2 periods. So I am going to discuss your problems. So solve these questions maybe from 17 to 19, 20. ठीक है, solve these questions and tell me your problems by tomorrow. Tomorrow I am going to solve your problems. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is it for today. You are supposed to solve next 3-4 questions at least. ठीक है, and we will discuss tomorrow if you have any problems, any difficulties.